Alright, in this video, we're going to talk about place value. So make sure you put today's date in the top corner of your paper. Let's say you're given the question, find the place value of 7 in 375. So let's break up 375 into what we know. We know that 375, written in expanded form, is 300 plus 70 plus 5. So the way we write that would be 3 hundreds seven tens and 5 ones. So to figure out the place value of the 7, it's essentially how we're reading it. We have 3 hundreds, 7 tens, and 5 ones. So the place value of the 7s is the tens place. So in 375, 7 is in the tens place. To help with place value, we use a place value table. So the place value table looks like this. We start with the ones place, then the tens, then the hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000s, hundred thousands, and then millions. And we could keep going on with our place value chart, but these are the majority of the place values that you're going to see that we're going to work with. So when you have a number and you're figuring out the place value, you can use the place value table to figure out which spot it goes with. So if you place any number in the table, you can identify place value of each digit. Place value is important. In use with rounding and performing operations like adding, subtracting. So your practice today is going to be writing numbers in expanded form using place value, and then also just identifying the place value, because we're going to move towards identifying how to round numbers, and it's important to know place values. So we're starting with just whole numbers. We'll start looking at it with decimals and other numbers to help with place value as well.